Why me they shout anyhow for media? Because I know say my soul, I don't get soul. He met an orgami. I don't marry single mother. I don't marry the dick. Now make me the shots anyhow for media. I dey shout anyhow, wella. Now, for the Chris, you're the man. You say, my God, is a boy. You don't feel use your own money. You gather people money, all those useless single mother begin to delay money give you. OG, criminal. Informat for France. How you take poor OZ for back? OZ, I be do. I take put that for back, they do shentro. All. Now me want post all. Now me want post all. OZ go come out that time. OZ musician go come out. Come talk you. Waiting you know concerning you. The woman. Many guests now. Many guests. Where OZ do their shentro. Now you side OZ. Where OZ do the shentro for Paris. The man. For your mind, you just say me and you just say, I go just beat a big man. I'll beat an entire house. If I even come across your video just now, when I did live video, you did live. Be like saying audio you do audio. Be like saying how you do for Facebook. I think so. Make a look and say because he be like say you do audio for he be like say you do audio for Facebook because I come across her. Okay, not be Facebook, not TikTok. I think so because I come across they flag me say you did live video. So I wait for vloggers, all bloggers. I wait for them. I go check TikTok, I go check YouTube, I go check Facebook. If they cut here, may they cut Vicky, Iyore has here, and Iyore and me together. One of the poster well, three of us. We have view. Yeah. We post YouTube, Facebook, TikTok. Oye kwere. Again, I like video. The time I will play them, I will play them. Igwe where you dey kiss, where they bury Oyibo. You lock Igwe for outside. For Igwe house. He say Igwe go see his baby mama. This is Iyore no Gyoba. Igwe go see his baby mama. He be like say that one where he born wonder or the one where he born Igwe last born. I think so. He be like say that one he go see. Igwe go see. Iyore lock Igwe for outside. Iyore lock Igwe for outside. Iyore where they advise people for outside, for public. He lock Igwe for outside. Now he bring quarry. He lock her for outside. What's happen between Wonder and Iyore? Now make Iyore come out. Igwe driver. Now make as he want go a return house where you reach. Because they say you want go to Pieramo, he need money, he need money. 200,000. Now me Dole give her 200,000. Now I give Iyore to renovate house. House where me not go. House where me not. After renovation, he wants to buy television. He see ask me. Say one buy television. I give her 150,000. I still give her 150. Way. Yes, sir. Because of your mommy. Ya wate mogyon ba, big man la ho, muda muda kemen, big man la ho, ya wate mogyon ba, ya wu, that la say ariedu, ya zo. Even I can't even call daughter. You know, daughter, me Iyore go bini, me go do all those things. Doctor say yes, oh wajo, you know say oh wajo sha, but you know say ogajo. In that way, iya bane wa. We are ya vembo. In that way, what you go do? Now what I tell doctor. And I say, if Iyore want go palace, if he settle people so that they not go video run, post. He go settle there so that I make them not video run. Palace. Now what I tell daughter. Oh wajo, mawawe wobo, ojo, mawawe wobo. Since how many years? Omajo. You know, go. All those who go back your basso. So that may less. So that you don't know say you don't do a commot. So now we wawa say go. Who are the igwe? Who are the igwe? La we wala ho wala bome iteta mata. Who are the igwe? Now we iruaya we wa say go. Who are the igwe? I claim me right. Who are the igwe? Who you know when we talk? Why you bomb? So they can't tell you what you want to do. Because sorry. They can't tell you what you want to do, So they'll just do one. So that you're free. Okay. Omajo. Stop on gay. Udwa ka. Stop on gay. Ewe ni agwe gwavujan oge no onye ho na fans wey dey send am money na they deceive am na then all those are fans they deceive am. Power tag, guys. Love and like and share this video, guys. Wanna give me love and like it. Iyore me here by na me. Iyore me feed. Not the right mommy there. Na Iyore. Iyore are my last born. They be the same mate. I just dey respect him based on now the name where she take open Facebook, Mommy and Iyore together. Now make me just dey call her Mommy Iyore. Our last born Iyore, they be the same mate. Our last born with Iyore, they be the same mate now. But I just dey respect her. So that make she dey get joy, make she dey feel good. Iyore, Mommy Iyore, I just dey respect her. So that make she not dey feel bad. Sometimes she dey complain to me, many complain. I dey feel for her. She dey complain many things. That girl, many things dey ahead oh. Many things dey ahead with it. Many things dey ahead with they think of. Many things dey where they think of oh. Many things dey. Where that get the think oh. Many things dey. She not get peace oh. As you say, so she not get peace. She not get happiness. She dey think. Now make some time. If you come out for live video, show this war. Ahead. Something day ahead with the turner. She not get peace. He go call me, I go dey encourage her. They encourage her and I say, but one thing you want to do, go Bini. Go do what you want to do. Go do one. Go Bini. Go Bini. And they tell her always, go Bini. On your don't mind your if I don't go. If I don't go Bini now. Waiting. You go Bini. You go do what you want to do. Hey, we mama you are. Person go insult your papa. You dey share to beg your papa. I tell you do. If person go insult your papa, you dey shame to go beg your papa, say sorry. Go there, go apologize. So what you call the shame for? You call the shame or how? And I say the video where they take swear for her. Ya wa dege with media. Ya wa dege. Utunye wa bu. Utunye wa bi. That video where they take swear for her. If you the look her, he might go the fly. He go the fly. Wetin make me take like wetin make me like saga me and Iyore. Now she first saga me. Now wetin I take like am. Now she first saga me. The reason why I want saga Iyore reach May 27 next year, May. Because now she first saga me. That's the reason why I put her for May. To end the saga. May. On the 27th of May 2026. Now I want to leave Iyore for waste. Because now she first saga me. That make to sagara they sweet me. It is sweet me. Now she first saga me. Ohama mwe, yene me feed, yene me cocoa. You call saga your pa for media. You me the feed. You come with that con saga me. Abia way.
They thought saying a fake life with them. Not the live fake. Now the way they live your marriage, now making the reason saying a fake life with them. Now you not get sense. That may I tell you. Why you go carry all the sister don't marry sweet? Not they thought saying a fake life with them. Not the live fake. Now the way they live your marriage, now making the reason saying a fake life with them. Now you not get sense. That may I tell you. Why you go carry all the problem, everything where they happen for that? Speaking shadow, husband not to go everything. I know you want to the reason. Why you not still live like man for the ass? Why you not still throw away for Sakamata? Make your life on the street, you concentrate. Well, what to tell what is it and we was soon with the full family? Now you be the man of the ass, I don't understand. Oh, yeah, for the betray me lato. Who's one is in there? And let Amale say, who's one is in there?
She go mothers. Maria.
Well, if you're not for your game already, Baba this time, bear you what man or you take go back focus. When we PS2 like them from Muga, them marriage in the area. One way you everywhere must do okay. I'm married when you come in a slave, when the ask get.
No matter.
I'm not going to be better. I'm married in the area, always fake like then they fake life. You follow my way for his marriage, you enjoy. Just let me show you with Robbie. Sister, don't marry me.
Wahon. Oh, your bar, you the year. Ozuo. When he make Coco come out for live video, why is then I saw you talk? He say, this man for pay. He say, Atiti they sleep with his children. Atiti not get. Now boys. Atiti bon. Now boys Atiti bon. Now so still do saga with Atiti. He say Atiti they sleep with his children. Oswald, he not get another statement where they talk. He not get another thing where they talk. If you see, that's what he tell you no gay. If you see man where get pikin, he go say that they sleep with her. He pikin. And that's what he tell you do saga. He not sabi do saga. Now one word. Now one word she they talk. We all cry. Which she did because she already cry for his side body. Now if you come out for live video, she did smile. That's also cry. She did cry for his house. I could call her mommy Iyore, I talk hey. To make her happy for her side. To make her happy. No matter how people they saga PBD. I said I give her. Here you say. Iyore ma we enemy. Iyore don't call any musician. Me sing. Iyore not call anybody. Say give big man money. Iyore not the one make person. I rather progress. You know what? If Iyore ask me money, I dey give. Sometimes I tell my wife because I get this car where they do money go house. I tell my wife sometimes how they work. I tell my wife go put money for my card. When you transfer so I'm like this, give Iyore. Every argue, my wife not they argue. She'll go put her for the card. You transfer money, give her. She go transfer money, give her. Wait. Unless you have a no, if you ask and say, come on, what a big man do? What a big man do you? Why do saga big man? Have you any treat where they follow on like him? No, go if you ask him for his house. Therefore, ask him, say, what a big man do you? Where you call saga? May they ask her that word. Whoa. Now me this one they write, they ask, or now you reply comment. You say, so your marriage you and your 100 years old wife. Light, abi, night. Now night you write all light. Fight. Okay, fight. You say 100 years old wife fight. What many? But now your mommy before now. Yes now. No. This now your mommy before. Not be so. You go say, you dey call her mommy before. Call her like that. Not be my mommy. I dey call her mommy. You know me say that be my mommy. So you go write her like that and say, but so you dey call her mommy before. Write her like that. I dey call her mommy, but it not be my mommy now. You know me say you dey call person mommy. You me say that your mommy now. So write her away. I dey call her mommy. Now my wife laugh me put now. Now make my wife laugh me. The day we Iyore consaga me for TikTok. My wife laugh me. Now so my wife dey clap her. Ebe. No. My wife dey tell me ebe. He say no. No. Now today now they see me here. Or make I post my office for you. Now the craze. I know they go work. Then I me go. Which money? Where for the same money where they give Iyore? Where Iyore want go vacation? Iyore we marry Igbo. We be say now we marry black. They give Iyore money. Where for same money? I go Tifa. Make you end your mumu. Make you and your mumu wife enter house. What be you and your mumu enter house? Which house? Not be my TikTok. Not be my TikTok, my wife. You hear my wife voice. Yeah, also. A single mother by force. We were my wife did. My wife did your house before. No, not be house she did. When they say you enter house. No, when my wife enter house. But talk true. Talk true, Shumon. She don't make you famous, Abby. Famous like how? You don't make me famous like where? For TikTok or for Facebook or nah me use her famous because why? Me get my TikTok. She get her own. Me can't leave my own. Go to sit down for you. You know what I'm saying? Now there, now una for blame me. Say why? Now there my wife for the blame me. My wife quarrel with me. Why you come out? Small girl, where you want she and your last born be mate. You just come on, go sit down for a platform. You just did there. You're at top for there. Why? My wife dey quarrel with me. I know here. I go reform Oduga. I go reform boss. I say, honey, I beg you. It's okay. I beg you, it's okay. He go say, you know the host your own. My own are your post. I'll your post video. Sometimes I'll your post. Sometimes I'll just post come on there. But if I'm a live video, I'll just go Iyore. I'll go sit down there. They contribute. They go insult me. I go insult person. Person go insult me. My wife go say, you know the shame. You know the shame. My wife go tell me for house. You know the shame. You go sit down for Iyore platform. If you never see what you find, you no go rest. Now what my wife they tell me that one. If you never see what you find, you no go rest. You not be waiting at the find. I can't see where Iyore consaga me. You think say me they follow Iyore they do saga. I know they follow Iyore do saga. And they tell her clear. My wife tell me See, if you don't see what you they find for your platform, where you go rest. True. As I see her, I know it has. Hey, I know it has. I has. My wife will tell me, see, even the day where you got me for a TikTok, my wife the clap hand. Ebe, no, on your manu, no. I dey tell you, I dey warn you, not the hear word. I dey warn you, not the hear word. Now wait till my wife they tell me. Before you ask some money, you don't give. Before you ask some money, you don't give up. Before you enter live video, you don't reach there. You put your forehead like gala. Even this man, doctor one of Paris before, but now speak on now. You see whether doctor they share your video? No. That one they use sense. They follow Iyore. Go down one page. Whether you go see Iyore video for there, or that one will call Iyore platform. Consider they contribute. No, because she they use sense they follow her. Because you know say na Oyomba. Now Iyore they call her, hey, doctor, if you want to call me, go doctor. If you want to call me, go doctor. Go this, go that, go that. That one they just start following. Now me put Iyore for head like gala the carry a waka everywhere. Like say they never see Iyore before. So when way they talk truth, when way Iyore not use a boss boy, when I go talk truth for this matter. If Iyore not use or you just spoil now, when I go talk truth. Say we are big man for insult Iyore. We are big man for saga Iyore. May the breaker come outside. Who first saga each other for me with her? May the breaker come outside. Iyore saga me. Now make Francomozo. Because they allow the video, them queen, them nogie, they call they allow the video where Iyore stay saga me. I don't come and reply now. My wife beg me, I better not reply. Not reply anybody. Your rest. Anybody where you do the video, no reply, I beg, you leave her. Don't leave them. I rest now. And I not reply anybody. So why you come be saying now? Now me come out, come reply. Me you know say a cup don't full. They say you too they drink. Okay, they say you too they drink. That one I shall go talk now. You already know the drink. That one I shall go talk now. You already drink now. Now because if you already come live video, go the phone holy. She dey smoke. You already smoke. You already till now. You see the smoke. You dey crazy. If I show you some video, if I show you some pictures, you go fear. Iyore. If I show you some picture, you go fear. Iyore don't confess. Oh, for church, that pastor with difference. That pastor way different way Iyore they go to church before. She don't confess for the church. Iyore. Let's start now. Who na go to see now? Messaga start. Messaga start. Who na go to see the video where Iyore they confess for the pastor where Iyore they go to church. Then we they confess for the church for Paris. That Yoruba man church. It did now. So I can never start. I know your everything come out now. That man we follow Iyore go back television. Iyore the fuck am. That Arabu we follow Iyore go back television. Iyore the fuck am. All day now. So I can never start. If I can start, we now they see all. We now go to see all. I know feel the bring out no. Me I can start. So I can never start now. What I want to do before? I not be mad. Man, where they work 10 hours. I not go drink. I not drink before. I not go drink before. Man, where they work. But your wife, they try, sha. My wife, they try, sha. You want to talk? Or your wife fine, sha. Now fine, you want right. See Anna, 16 years old. Now this one, I Iyore say make up police for me. Oh. This one, so see 16 years old. Now Iyore say make up police for me. Iyore don't see who's do marriage. Now she pay my bride price for Nigeria. The man chop money, the man dump her. Iyore buy motor for Igwe. Igwe dump her. Iyore follow Ghana man build house for Ghana. The Ghana man dump her. Avie, okbo, ebe, opekete, oberekete. I never say something. I never hear. If you don't hear something, you not go hey. Say The priest don't call now. The priest they wait for picture. And they wait for their saga. All presenters. Now I share and give. All presenters. I'll share and give them for WhatsApp. I'll send and give them for WhatsApp. All presenters. I will send and give them. Me go they post my own. All presenters go they post their own. Me Iyore not be 2 months saga, no. All the whole presenter saga. Now I want to do. Everybody's saga. Now I want to do with her. Everybody's saga. Now I want to do with her. When then wait you go J, Abi. Now J right, Abi. Then when you go J, when you go J, that is you want to ask me. Now Iyore go prisoner. You no go prison. Now prisoner. Now Iyore be na prisoner. Format. Now she be for France now. Now format she be now make you go jail now. Now make Iyore go prison for 1 year. Who can not get prison? I'm a jet on in it. They jet her for prison. Now make it decrease. Now make she get pepper body. But money kill life, but money kill life, but money kill. They jet her for prisoner. They jet Iyore for prison. I know say now we be single mother. Now they write this one, so I go to reply when I small. If I want to follow Iyore do saga, I not go shout. As I read comments, so I go to do one small like this. I will talk. I'll go buy anything too. I'll put them for my table. I go to take out small. I go to take out. I go to take out. They do saga with her. I go to laugh. I not go shout. Follow Iyore do saga no for waiting. I too be past that one. Iyore with my last born with Iyore, they be the same mate now. We'll go early. We'll go early. Now they document now. Saga sweet oh. If you're not wrong, the two saga very sweet. But if you're wrong, saga not too sweet. If now you wrong, not the too sweet. But if not be you wrong, hi, oh boy, you they get joy, they do saga. You they happy, they do saga. You they happy, they do one. You they happy, they do saga. Hey, waiting. This saga so when I do so even my wife no even accept them. This one when I do so, my wife no accept them. I don't accept them because if you say me I your liver, which y'all the who give me so, mommy what? Abe, mommy Sharon, Abi, mommy Sharon. Now you, Abi, because you realize now you, mommy Sharon. Yeah, God bless you. All the way from Better City, God bless you, mommy Sharon. All the way from Better City, God bless you. Make I come up for front. I'm gonna see my 16 years old girl. I'm gonna see her work. I'm gonna see my 16 years old. Now this one, now Iyore say me you police arrest me. This one. Now see her. When I see Iyore say me she use police arrest me. This one. This 16 years old girl. Now Iyore say anytime we'll take your argument. He say me call police for me. Make she come and make swear. Make she come swear. Or make I serve her on paper. For Ilala. May I give her paper for Ilala? If she not tell my wife for my back. The thing they shock person now. It is shock. Imagine person where you they feed, person where you they give her food. If they hungry, he go call you say I beg I they hungry oh, I be want buy something oh, la wo ramen la rio bome. You say on my take. You follow my back, go tell my wife. Say anytime we get quarrel or anything we get argument, make call police for me. Okay, you say maybe my wife na ovio you call, or my wife na person will stop on call. She not go tell me. If you say my wife no, if maybe my wife no be person will be say she not go tell me this thing now. Since waiting you talk. He said, make call police for me. Now that day, my wife come begin they beat me, say, no, you're the way they praise. You're the way they say, Mommy Iyore, he not like you. Now my wife they tell me, say, Iyore way the Iyore, so she not like you. He says she not like you. Oh, what be so no I what be lie? Why me me na? Okay, if say maybe my wife and person maybe say, come do that one call. If I go do that one, and so okay, you just say make my wife. You say make my wife call police for me. Woman wey me your give, and she want go holiday. I give her money. She want buy television for house where you rich. I give her money. I mate work money for her brother buy house. You know my setting there. You know my do wa we bo. He couple I neighbor who me for a rich house. She not fit buy her own. 20 years in road work. She not fit buy house. So all the whole money we come make we call where? Money where you make for road work where? How you doing? Who she give? Who she give? Who she give? Why I say? The baby thing, you see there. I beg, una come across any video Iyore do, they talk to me or whatever. Unless if I cut her now, as no.